Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm doing an Amazon video, but this one is a little different because I want to focus on safe versus splurge items. I'm not doing knockoffs or anything like that. I'm just doing things that give you the same look or give you the same feel, or they're similar in some way, but they are way less than the original ones. So I'm super excited to get into it. Everything will be linked down below. I also have a page dedicated to this topic on my Amazon shop, so you can check that out for even more items. And let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and I'll do a part 2 if you'll like it. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I love to share all these finds and more over there, and let's get into it. I have to start with one of my all-time favorite things in my house right now. As y'all know, I'm a huge fan of mirrors. I have them in every room in my house. Actually, I did a poll on my Instagram and gave away like an Amazon gift card to the person that guessed how many mirrors I have in my house, and the answer was 17 mirrors. So I'm obsessed with mirrors, and last year during Black Friday I picked up a few of the most beautiful Anthropologie primrose, gleaming primrose mirrors, and the smallest size that they have retails for $540, and it's 3 feet tall. Amazon has an amazing option that looks the exact same. The Amazon version comes in 3 different sizes. I have the biggest one in our new powder room. We kind of did a makeover and made it all pretty, and it's the exact same. It's identical. It's so pretty, and a lot of people in the reviews were complaining that the material was wood and not a metal frame, and I'm actually here to tell you, because I also own the Anthropologie one, that the Anthropologie one is also wood. So if you're looking for the same look, it looks vintagey and girly and pretty, then Amazon has way more options, smaller sizes for way less. The most expensive one is the bigger one, and it retails for $180. My next safe versus splurge are very similar to the very expensive Barefoot Dreams blankets. They are the exact same material and the exact same size as the most expensive ones that are like $200, I think. So you get 2 different options. You can either get the classic neutral animal prints. They have leopard, they have zebra. I have 2 of those, and those go from anywhere from like 30 bucks to 40. And then they just released a super big version in all kinds of different fun colors in a checker print for about 50 to 60 bucks. So way less than the Barefoot Dreams one, but the exact same material. Trust me, I've tried it, I compare it, exact same. I have a little too many pairs of sunglasses, but I always go back to these. I love this style of sunglasses. They are the classic, you know, round, what I like to call Ray-Ban dupes, because they literally look just like Ray-Bans, down to the packaging, which is really crazy, like the logo and everything. And these feel the exact same. I used to have Ray-Bans, but I would lose them all the time, and I didn't want to keep spending all that money on sunglasses. I think these the Ray-Ban version retail for like 200 bucks, so you can get the exact same look for way less. These are 14 bucks on Amazon. Exact same quality in my opinion. All they're missing is a little logo, but that's okay with me. I use these all the time. I talked about this one recently, so I don't want to talk about it too much, but I found it, y'all. So this is a great alternative for the Marc Jacobs tote bags. There say Marc Jacobs, so this is technically not like a DHgate bag, for example, but it's a great option. I actually really like that it doesn't say his name, because why would I want that? It's a canvas material. It has a nice zipper. I was actually using it yesterday when I went to work out, and it has a longer strap to use as like a crossbody, or you can adjust it as a shoulder bag. I actually love this. It's $37 compared to $150. This one comes in a denim color, it comes in black, it also comes in this really pretty kind of like beige color. I think they're totally worth it and a great alternative for way less. This is one of my favorite things to get on Amazon, especially lately, where I feel like Stunny Clever has gone so viral and so many people are buying them full price, and for good reason. They're so cute. They have so many fun products. So Stanley Tumblers has a wide range of products, but they're known for their fun little chenille letters, and I am so guilty. I've purchased so many of these, and Amazon has so many options to get the look for less. You can get these bags that are completely ready to go. I have the snacks version and I love them. Or you can purchase the letters. You can either buy iron-on, or you can do the ones that already have the adhesive on them, and you can customize backpacks, little baggies. You can do anything that you would with Stanley Tumblers, especially like gym bags. I think this looks so cute. Or kids backpacks, pencil pouches, toiletry bags. They're adorable. I have an entire tab over on my Amazon shop because the options are truly endless, and I love the fact that they have so many like Disney ones, some with like little airplanes, so many colors, and for way less. You probably have like a toiletry pouch laying around that you could easily customize with these $5 letters, so you don't have to go to Stanley Tumblers and spend like $500, no joke, in customizing a duffel bag. Next we have something that's sitting right here, and I'm sure if you've been on Instagram, on TikTok lately, you've probably seen everyone and their mother talking about the Stanley Tumblers. They went viral a few months ago. They keep selling out, and there's truly nothing that special about them, and they're $40. So I've been using these from Amazon. They are 20 bucks. You can also get them at Target, and they also come in really pretty colors. They're not as slim as the Stanley ones, but they still fit in cup holders. I have the pink, I have this one, my husband has the red one. They're just very convenient. I love the fact that it keeps my water cold. It has a handle and it fits in the cup holder, but I don't have to like hunt them down and wait for restocks and also pay 40 bucks plus shipping on them. Next up, we have something that's actually right behind me. Olive trees are all over beautiful homes. They're so pretty. I don't know what it is about them, because usually I find fake plants to make spaces look a little tacky or just not as elevated, but for some reason olive trees are the complete opposite. I think they make spaces look really pretty and elevated. So Amazon actually has a ton of options. I will say they're not as beautiful as, you know, the Studio McGee ones from Target. Like this one is like 250 bucks, but they're like $80. So if you want the look for less, I got this one from Amazon. It's really pretty. If you put it in like an elevated pot and add some moss on top, you can make it look really nice and beautiful and expensive without spending a ton of money. So rattan console tables are very popular right now, very trendy and very expensive at stores like Lulu in Georgia, West Elm, etc. So what I did to get the look for less was get 2 of these sideboards, but this is a great, more affordable option. One of my friends actually got a different version that is kind of similar but natural colored instead of black, and it looks equally as pretty as a TV stand. So great way to get something that's probably upwards of $2,000 right now, and probably back ordered. You can get 2 of these for less than $300. And just to show you what it looks like on the inside, it fits so much. This would be great for storage in a smaller apartment. We have it as a sideboard, kind of like buffet in our dining room, but you could totally use it as a TV storage, put board games, things like that inside. And these shelves are adjustable, which is great. Dang, I need to do some dusting, but it fits so much and it holds up a ton of weight. I even have the anther mirror on top, so highly recommend. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. That way I know to make more and to find even more safe versus splurge items on Amazon. Like I said, comment down below if you want me to dupe anything. Like if you're wanting, I don't know, a coffee table from West Elm and you want me to find the look for less on Amazon, I would love the challenge. I'm always kind of like adding stuff, and I swear to God, you can ask my husband, I spend hours on end scrolling Amazon just trying to find good products, not necessarily for me, even though they always end up in my house, but like products that I can add to my Amazon storefront. That way if y'all are looking for something, y'all can find it there. Like for example, I get questions all the time on my Instagram DMs like, hey, I'm moving into an apartment soon, or I'm about to go to college or whatever, what will you recommend for furniture or organization, things like that, kitchen appliances. etc. So you can find all of that over on my Amazon shop. I spend so much time making it nice, neat, organized, all the good stuff, so definitely check it out if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm so excited to start this kind of series because, as y'all know, I love a dupe, I love a look for less. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next one.